Honestly, I think we've had enough of the whole corruption in South Africa, and I think Zuma stepping down will really help us, moving forward as a country. I think it's time for him to take a break. As much as Mugabe also, served this country, and Zuma has been here for 9 years now. I would really like to say, Obaba, it's time for you to step down.
I really wouldn't say that I'm against it, but I'm really hoping for change for the better, especially the economy, if they could move away from junk status as well. As the economy is really crushing at the moment, stability is really difficult. So yeah, I guess as South African in this generation, we're really hoping for the better, eh? And let's see how it goes.
For the sake of ANC, I think they must let him finish his period. But for the sake of the nation, no, definitely he must be removed.
I think the law must take his course because he's got a lot of charges against him. So let the law take its course, and yeah, let's see how the verdict's gonna come out.